Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. Happy Monday. I hope that you had an excellent weekend. I know that I got outside and had some fun in the sun with my family. I hope that you did too. I want to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be learning today. Alright, here I am on our Monday page. I got to this page from our home page and then clicking on the number 1, the Monday link near the number 1. And so you can tell that our page is set up the same way that Thursday and Friday were last week. And so what I want you to know is this is the new way that our pages are going to be set up. And so our goal is to work for an hour to an hour and a half each day. And so I thought that maybe by choosing three of the activities that I have listed here, that would be a good time frame. Now, some of my friends on Zoom on Friday said that they did not like only choosing 3 and they like to do more. And I want you to know that that is completely okay, my friends. If you like to do all the activities, then that's quite all right. I just want to make sure that I'm not overwhelming you and giving you too much schoolwork each and every day. Okay? All right, let's take a look at the activities we have for today. All right, remember the first one is to check in with me. I would love to hear from you 1 time per week or more. Remember to get a 3 or a 1 thumb up. You need to check in with me at least 1 time a week. Anything more than that would be a level 4 and a double thumbs up. So, my friends, I love hearing from you. If you're going to come to Zoom on Monday today, you're going to wear your pajamas if you want to, and you can bring a pet or a stuffed animal. All right, moving on. If you want to choose this reading activity, you can read a picture book or a chapter from a book of your own choosing, and then write 3 to 6 sentences retelling what happened. So just kind of doing a quick summary. What were the main events in that story, and how did they happen in what order? Okay, my friends, if you'd like to do this activity, then you're going to listen to this story, All the World, and then you are going to talk with family members about the importance of all things great and small. So the book really covers a lot of things that we should be thankful for and be mindful about. And what does living in the moment and enjoy the small things mean to you and your family? So have a conversation with someone in your family or all of your family members and talk about what does living in the moment and enjoying the small things mean to you guys. All right, if you'd like to do this math activity, we're continuing to tell time this week. We're going to tell time to the 5-minute increments. And so today we're going to review how to tell time to the hour, the half hour, and the quarter hour. So this is a fun video, and then I would like for you to tell a family member some facts about a clock. All right, moving down, if you'd like to do our healthy habits video, then this video kind of reviews the 5 food groups and what's healthy about the food that we eat. And so after you watch that video, then I want you to think about when you're eating food, which food groups your food is in and why your body needs it. So this video goes into some of the science behind the types of foods we need and what they do for our body exactly, okay? All right, moving down, our art project today is to make this moving paper fish. So I saw this project and it looked super awesome, and I actually made one, and I was really excited about how it turned out. Macy has been playing with it all day, and so I hope you really enjoy that project too. All right, my friends, I hope you have an excellent Monday, and I can't wait to interact with you on Zoom or however you're going to contact me. Have a great day, and I will see you on Zoom or tomorrow. Bye, friends.